Hey, welcome to another edition of Just Try DIY. Hey, today we had to do some repairs on the pool the other day and replace the ionizer for our saltwater pool. Found out afterwards we used some old glue. You can see down here on this elbow, off of this pipe right over here, we got a little bit of a leak. So that coupler that's up there is going to have to be replaced. So today we're going to show you how to go ahead and get it cut out. Sawzall, of course, to cut the pipe with. We got PVC cleaner and glue. A couple new couplings. Piece of pipe. Let's go and get started. Got to make sure all the water's all shut off for it, because of course we can't do this under pressure, so we got to make sure everything's shut off. We're going to go and drain everything back and make sure everything's dried out. Start off by cutting off the piece here on the top. Start with our primer. I like using this purple primer because you can definitely tell where you've cleaned the joints and where everything's already been, to make sure you don't overlook something that you thought maybe you've done before. So get that joint clean and primed. Go ahead and prime both those sides. Glue on the inside of this, outside of the piece you're putting on. Stick them together. Hold tight. Now if you do let go too early, it doesn't want to try and separate, so you can try and push it apart. So you want to try and hold that on there, just give it a few seconds. It doesn't take very long. Let it set up. If you can spin it just a little bit, that helps smear the glue around. Make sure that joint's good. The reason we had a leak on the last one was because we used old glue and thought we'd take a gamble with it. We lost. So here I am back here replacing this again. So all right, see inside, all nice and tight in there, all cleaned up, ready to go for the one on top. Here's a coupler for the top. We'll clean it, make sure it's all ready to go. Like I said, we just want to hold that on there just for just a little bit and make sure that sets up nice and tight. Good. Of course, we knew how long we took the piece out that was leaking, so I guess we'll replace it with the same length of pipe that we took out. Again, make sure the edges are cleaned up. Sometimes these are very sharp, so be very careful. Sometimes it's nicer to use an edge of a knife inside of there to clean those burrs out. Once you get everything kind of picked off, cleaned up, we're good to go. You know, we have those couplers all primed and ready to go, so all we need to do is get the pipe ready. I'm going to do this all at once. You got to be quick about it. Go around both of them. Go. Slide up in there, hold it nice and tight for just a little bit. I'd say just a few seconds. She's already set up. You can turn the water back on. Just like that. All right, just took a couple seconds there to get, or a couple minutes really, to get that all set up, put back in there. And we're not losing water out of the pool anymore. So thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. See you next time.